How to add a promotion to LinkedIn. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you're signed in to LinkedIn and go to linkedin.com. Then go to your profile from here, go to the upper right and click on me, then click on view profile, or you can also click here on your name on the left, click on it and open your profile. Now this is your profile, and as you can see, I've already written in this test account that I've been a video editor since Jan 2021. And if you want to add a promotion, simply what we are going to do is go to the plus icon here, click on it and click add position and write the title. I'm gonna make it senior video editor. And if you want to choose the employment type, the company name, make sure to make the company name the same as the first one if the promotion is in the same company. Click on here and then choose the starting month and the starting date. Let's say it's July 2022 and choose to end the current position, and that's it. Let's click on save. And here you can publish a post for your new position, but we don't want this now, so we're gonna click on skip. And now, as you can see, the promotion is added on the up of the old position. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.